my brother off with me. Where the thing I did in Nigeria. As a wise man, we did not fight. We did not argue. We dialogue together as brothers. We sit together, we ate padedniam together in a restaurant in Italy. That's a wise man. That's a matured man with a matured brain. Utame agrikba. All the glitters are not gold. Not everybody you see go beer. Now you get bros. Now you get brain. Not all beer match with brain. Some beer na just beers. They don't be beers. Now beer, now if they can come out. Beer, this beer. Some beer where you see here. Now beer, grown, not be brain. You being social media president, giving it by yourself. Oh my God, somebody came out on this social media president. This some live video can say, I am the social media senator. That is my brother. He said he is the social media senator. We still have social media audience way. Now, in life, if you stand to be an elder, if you stand to be a leader, have the qualities of a leadership. Have the qualities of a leadership. Let the people around you that you lead see you as a leader. Let the people that you lead see the qualities of a leader in you. Let it be a genuine qualities. Not coming out on live video to preach good, to praise people, to fight on live video. Back of the scene, you eat people's money. You do all manner of things, all immorality things. Back of the screen. This is the reason why people will continue to fight Umewa. Because Umewa is the man that will continue to leak the secrets behind the scene. What people are doing behind the scene, I will continue to leak it. The reason for me coming out twice yesterday, I'm going to explain it clearly for you people to understand. All bloggers who take this video to their page, you are free to take it to your page. You understand? Umewa fight nobody. Because I'm a brutal lion. If I fight, that means I am not a leader. I am not here to repair, to make peace. Because I stand for the peace. And it is the peace that I will use to fight this fight. And I'm not going to fight anybody, but I'm going to make them have wisdom. Because they are all my children. Both who present, both the caller, both the writer, the contribution, the commenters, they are all my children. And we stand to make peace to reign. Wherever they gather to plan that we, those in the diaspora, should start fighting ourselves by the special grace of the Most High God. Their plan will never stand. It will never come to pass. Because why? The man of God is sitting on the throne. By fire, by thunder, wherever they gather. If the gathering is not for good, if the gathering is not for God, that gathering must scatter by fire. You know when I talk on. If you evil gang went to a native daughter to do something, to say, Ezo layagbe, wamwezo yinyagbe, wanamunya yekedagbe, wanamunya yekedagbe, niyamunya yekedagbe, niyaswa gbelegbia, as you are gathered to plan that plan, by fire, by thunder, with the power of the Most High God, that jazz will scatter by fire. That jazz will scatter by fire. That jazz will receive fire. That plan will receive fire. That plan will not work. It will not stand. It will not come to pass. In the mighty name of Jesus. You don't know who is talking to you. God punish that jazz what you do to work against Umewa. Now lie. If it works for my children, but the father, I am the head. If I fight, if I light fire, now everywhere go burst. Fire will continue to the light. Because I stand to be the president of social media, because I am here to lead my people, nothing they happen. We know the fight. Efei is my brother, is my blood. So for those of you now, if I correct Efei on my live video and he came out to be talking, let him talk. I will not be here. If I correct Atiti, and Atiti is coming out on live video to be ranting, be talking, let them talk. They are my children. I will not be here. I will not be here. But one thing is sure, one thing I stand on as a Benin man, I will not stand to fight them, and I will not stand to disgrace any of them. Because why? We are brothers. I still stand to correct anything that is wrong on social media. Whether the president or not the president. The name the president does not pay my bills. Does not put food on my table. You can say anything on your saga to saga me. It does not change who I am. It does not change what I believe. It's just the way it is. I stand on the truth side. The only side, nothing but the truth. The people are tired of fake life. Hear me and hear me clear this evening. The people in the diaspora are tired of living fake life in Europe. Speak the truth, and the truth shall set you free. No woman is sponsoring me. No woman is supporting me. The only thing I get for people, when I speak the truth, some of them called me and say, Ume, when you have spoken well, we have never seen anybody speak the way you speak. You have wisdom, you are blessed. They give me a prayer. So for those of you say anything you want to say, talk anything you want to talk, now you sabi. Ume, when I hold you no explanation the way I live my life in Europe. Because what? Not being like carrying on Europe. You feel me so? So, there's something I want you to know. And I want everybody to, and that's why I say, share this video. I want you all to load this so that you will learn, you will know the kind of people you call and the kind of conversation you make with people. And I'm going to tell you today, a snake is always a snake. It's okay. Idahosa, the former social media president, he called me yesterday. He recorded one. When we were talking, Eddie Murphy was recording me when we were talking. You understand? When you already know person, and he did not know you, and you know him too well, whenever you have a conversation with him, you are always in the smart side. When you know person, and the person does not know you, whenever you have a contact with that person, you that know that person is always in the smart side. That is why Benin said, not let it come and bomb. Let this message go viral. I know it's okay, see and listen. Listen and listen very good. Oh, you gbé me, oh, gbé now I'm going to nothing about Ogbe when you want to tell me where I don't know. Where me, I don't know. You understand me? Adam, no, Adam, you make it down and why. You forget sense for your brain. And I go on now, my pin and hook, you know, well, be now brain and one, ego ya lucky. It's okay. Sit down, but you listen me for learn, me for wise. Oh, who not tell us of that point? Oh, who not tell us of that point? Oh, your husband is even trying to bring himself down because why? I got dinner with him. Uno listen me. Because it is in the blood. It is in the blood. Recording of people conversation, it is in the blood. Even though you call it okay, be careful. Because why? It's a bird of the same feathers flocks together. Be careful. You understand? I go analyze issue this deeply for everybody to understand. It's okay. Your husband called me yesterday. The both of you sit down was recording me. As a man when Baba with his smile. Whatever I cannot say outside this screen, I don't say it back of my screen. As you called me and I said, I've already eaten. Just the way I'm sitting down here, I've eaten my dinner. So you called me the night towards around 10. I picked the call. Hello. I played the voice record for you yesterday. I was talking with him. He was even the one talking. I was laughing at him when he called. Because why? He was talking like a frustrated man. He was saying, Yahweh, as he was talking, I was laughing. Because the thing, it funny me, the way he talk. I just burst loud. You know, I don't mean I'm about with a smile. And they said to you know, I'm going to hear. I said, they laugh. He said, on our gear. You understand? On our gear, that's okay. Anyway, when they asked me, he said, yes. I said, okay. You don't talk your own. Let me talk my own. As you don't talk your own side, let me analyze my own side. And as I talk, Eddie Murphy was recording. The only word I said, that's the only word I said. The next thing, he end the call. That means when something resembles something, you usually make parable. He end the call. He went inside. Just for example, I'm going to analyze it for you to understand. This was the, let's for example, this was the phone he was using to record me. He was using, for example, he was using this phone to record. Now he have this phone. Now he will go on his WhatsApp, on this phone, and be talking, press the recording WhatsApp, also press this one. As his record is, the words we said that he recorded with this, he will be translating and he was repeating what we said. Repeating it in 8 minutes. Then he forwarded. Paraventures, he wanted to forward that thing to another person or another presenter. He mistakenly forwarded the voice record straight to my phone. When you stand by the truth, when your enemies start to plan evil against you, they will send the evil to your phone to see how they prepare it. If it is good like this, so that if it is not good, you can tell it it's not good, though, change it, let it be like this. Hey. Is somebody hearing what I'm saying? When God stands for you, your enemy must be put to shame. God punish that devil. If you know your God, say he that knoweth their God shall do exploit. Because he wanted to, they are looking for way. They say, this small boy will just come out yesterday. It's not the top of social media. Everybody's not looking at him. It is not a justice because I stand by the truth. How will go take fall on down? How will they put disgrace for body? How will they put shame for body? Let us find way to push them. They gather. I said it before. I said surely they must gather. Somebody is not hearing me. When I said it, it come to pass. I said they must gather. But if gathering is not for God, they will definitely scatter. They will definitely scatter. They will definitely scatter. In the mighty name of Jesus. I don't know if they add your brothers to among them. If your brother has decided to join them, to collide with them, to plan evil against you, if the gathering is not for God, they must scatter by fire. They must definitely scatter. You are the one that recorded. You edited the recording. Mistakenly, you forwarded to Umenwa Baba with a smile. By the special grace of God, whosoever that is planning evil against you, who want to take your picture to a native daughter, they will call you and say, give me your picture, make I take go native daughter. So shall it be. They must call you. It is not by just. When you know who you serve, when you go down on your knee, you don't have grudges against people. You are doing your thing. You are doing it for people to be wise. Whatever I'm doing here is for people to be wise. I love children. Whatever I am doing here is for you to be wise, for your eyes to be open. That all that glitters are not gold. All that you see here we do on social media, not all are real. Some of us we live fake life. Some of us other people have money. We borrow clothes, we borrow shoes to come on live video, to show up on live video. Whereas after live video, we will return those things. A lot of people are saying, now woman they send a cream. Now woman they send. Oh yes, woman they send me cream because why? They patronize within and they talk. They patronize it because I speak the truth. Eddie Murphy was the one that did it. He recorded me, and he finally said, if Paravector said the record where Eddie Murphy record, say I say anything. Let's say if Eddie Murphy, all those kind of things. He could have been bragger on live videos this morning. If for the bragado for live video, when you have a bad mindset, the God of Israel must surely put a shame into your life. It's just the way it is. If your heart is not clean towards the children of the Most High God, He must surely disgrace you. It's just the way it is. You can't change it. I don't have somebody that say, hey, Franco, I dare your bar, who come for me and the blow smoke put. Anything will happen. But I know who I serve. He is the God of thunder. The I am that I am. The Oba Patakineye Beyunu. The Ekwa Bonulo. The Obo Yewo Yewu. Oba no Yuki Dolaso. God punish that devil. Hello? 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 I did live video. Who they talk? Gume, are you speaker? Alright, speaker.
Why?
Uwe Beno Edimofi, social media president. Adam yo, alright, speaker. Adam yo, uno watana gumea sawe. Adam yo, alright, speaker now. Uwe Meno Edimofi, pa social media president. Ina ipa watok be. Una ipa watok be we Victor. Me mai ka hon we there, man kan he there. Very well no live video na me mai ka hon we there. Where we hon there we me mwe picture we la dia or gbe central or tun pa we we human traffic here. Okay. Edimofi no yezi weye. Uno yezi weye. Uno yezi weye. We give me last time we Edimofi no yezi weye. Uno yezi weye. We tamu no yezi weye. Okay, uno 56. God bless you, Davio. F month and F we man a live video me na. We are 56 years abi. Okay, very. What get on you? What get on you? Edimofi Davio. Davio Edimofi. Wait Davio. Edimofi the way you were. Edimofi the way you were. What Davio Edimofi. Davio. Audio not your gun the bay, eh? You carry a one. Audio not your gun the bay. I walk away, image you can wash a room. Edimofi, where I was walking at no, even where you are shower. If you are in where to Yame Bogbewo, if you are in where to Yame Bogbewo, who were in Yamia, ever we are repenting. No, when I repent, we are given a bear as a second way. No one, everyone will wake you on it. Or speaker, Gumegumia, yet the Gumegum. If you want to wait here, okay, we might wait a bonny man. Okay, we might wait a bonny. Udega wait Mofi. No, Sam Yamia, no hoy mamia. No, Sam Yamia, no hoy mamia. We might wait blocking me platform where. Edimofi, very me will live video. Never total give. Edimofi Davio. Eddie Davio. Okay, pa, Edimofi. Edimo wa top be. Edimo vi aye na. Egbe wa nyo vi aye na. Wa to. Okay, Davio, Edimofi Davio. Davio, et pas Davio, moins frustré, Davio, au moins frustré, ça n'a pas de frustré. Vous Davio maintenant. Au salon bon goût, au wa mano, de mano, où we say. Et n'a bon ma we, wa dia, wa mu seven no. But when no see no when I'm moving. Why ya? Una on watch live video me. There was a time in I praise you where they will know. You understand? In our live video, in our praise you. I did live video to praise you, but we watch on you. You for what done you go? You know if you know go, you for what you go. You understand? I am the kind of man. Why when you see it, I will know now. We are on our Google scene. They don't have to because of the weekend we only make what you I did that for you. Why will you not see aware? After we came Nigeria, una ya salu biye et Mofi face you out. You understand? Udavio mena. I came out now with live video. In a praise you were not seeing one out be. In a way, I knew live video where I make him out. On a table now, or ya want me very good, or you now. You know, you are demo face you know, about be. In a little nana. A video no matter watch you. Understand? Very good. There you. Obio mo when I go jason we doing wa mo nyere mo yo mo tai when I go jason because of my do jason ni dogo no dead boy no. You understand? As o dollar or dolewu. We mo obi we odugo kegbe. We are jason no bi o ma bi e mi no gba no matter what. E la video ni wu na wa mi e bonore won oye ojojo. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Osawo adiba mana go tanu wa ne bana ota dameyo baba ota no me bana ota de wa de uvien ogbe yi understand we dina we live video na wa tv we e na Franco wa de coffee no ya mo egbo eyo what will I do understand me now we to bu we live video ni ma wona ma ni boot your ma hi soft no me ya to live video ni we me several times e live video ni me we na me ga ya i boss me e bonoro wa gbon amu coffee gimene ayala ya kan egbe na diri yo moru eri me tamu we na dan yo eri me tamu we na epa dan yo gun explain ma we odion e ba le gbegbe ohun no mo egbe no ya do level yi ohun egbe bo mo egbe na ya yo ya ne so kun ina gbina yi ni omi utoye udan yo na omi utoye go give you example down yo pa go give you example a governor nu we gbina na a governor we gbina na Obaseki nu we gbina na adam yo pa e pa adam yo Obaseki nu we gbina na 4+1 we gbina ji nu we gbina na gbe onu ebo gbe onu elimination nebo ja na Obaseki a we emi do Obaseki la de ndo ati ebo ni bi ebe Epawato. That way, man. You understand? When we edowe ri aya. That way, man. Epa unyi menu we lele vie nyini. Epa dame yo. Epa osalobo adeba we. Epa salobo adeba we ni wata na salobo adeba we. Wa mu matanare o salobo adeba we. Unyi menu we lele vie nyini ke wa ka menu we vie ogadbi ni wa lele vie nyini we na record yan as a father. Unyi menu gba no. Ko ye hun ni me. No matter what, no you where I want more neck me be all you doing. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yes. Wenela uti tinia e patu we titina I went to where titina so like agbo ya na 20 we. Okay, that was the reason epa mama ebe ya no wetana nya me story na ya no understand or talk be Pardon yo. Pardon yo. Edo we re aya senata. Pardon yo. Watok be. Domosa. Dan yo edo we odolewo osioba. Nedua ma muselua ma ema yayi. You understand me now? I don't yak bitan where I go monek be mother study now. Madam Agbona ni Mayana, you book and see I know your baron Agbona. Understand? Social media president or social media no president, anyone that banner, you know my location baron already. Understand? I no one and do all me once I do down your now. And one, Ebuya Luki. Down your pa. Mami Matano soup, Mami Matano wasununi. Me gwa ye matani ili abegede bewa aguwe as a man, as a leader. When ili abera aguwe le di mo e pada yo ya kama we no see na tama ya tama we e pada e pa wenu weje wenu ya gwona na wenu ya gwona gume wa give we kenna I was there, I was listening to you. Okay. Epa wa down yo, epa domo. What a Wesley, no one, Wesley, what down yo. E pardon mo. Wa talk pesa. Wa talk pesa dam yo sa. Dam yo. Dam yo pa. Dam yo. Salo ba de ba we. Mo understand. Di gbinanu we gbinani. Mo understand. Àwọn adowe aga gbogbo utagare airi he ugbo nagbe aberio. Good. When we not see any menu na emi yanu ka u ina wa miamia but mami no do le ga ni kon be benefit. Ona ina me we don't win in the heart. But since then, we do our winning obey giddy boy, but do I do as a no one a live video when I came here with your ball. Who went on one way, not down who know, especially if they give it a ball. It may advice me, the advice not the result of a ball. In your game, a ball. Understand? If you don't see a non why you could book with Yashawu, oh, you get it, Washawu. I'm away your door, I damn your door. Udana. E na to no emi ga keri ayaziri ya go so ni we no de ada we na so ni we no de understand me na unda we no ma hin nu me bo yen gbe me you understand me efei ni ya vote me as a president efei ti efei our video see na understand but only problem me you understand o me no agbera o me no polo gbera efei ti mo efei gun afan okay ona la de na we video ona kick against okay, against the Magua. I will not want to hear about women in our room, the platform in our one. Yesterday, morning, I make a baha, the fair year with video. The one a followers are seeing about women because of we are voting in as a president. So, I know like the another. You never pay the passport or any whatever. Passport or not passport. If you have passport, you don't have brain, you are empty. You understand? So, it might be you understand? So nobody no you understand? Which is a working way with China now. But that is not the problem. Okay, now, do you know we're not we're in a title jealousy? You understand? And I say, almost so we can bore with Nyati Yao. But I vote election in maybe with Frank Yao election. Well, our election, we believe in election. Yes, when you say, yes, when you go. You la you know, with mon win. You know, account. You know, account the winner. I claim the winner. If I contest Baha, the platform go, yes, when you say, you Baha. If I call in, not stop it, election. When we hear to, and one time or run when all log on attack. I do out my master and walk on your career. On your son in the way. The truth has to be said. We're there about election. Daniel. Okay, Daniel. You know what's happening now? You know what I be? Okay. Now, okay, yeah, okay. Now let me talk to you now. Give me the word one. Oh, we tell now if you ma qualify be, Daniel, we ma qualify. Give me explain. If you ma qualify no here election, we ma watch Riviera the election. We to Buwe as a president, former president. We ma cut in. Okbe audio. Donc, we no here nowhere now. Wanik be no here nowhere. Was okay by demand. Why are they with the election here? When the president no working in the election now working at the Murphy level, where the record you. How can you as a president be recording your daughter when she's talking to you, explaining to you, crying to you? I mean, no come you see there you the recording, tell the recording. Tell the Boba Dole do ya bet me area do ya no the people in the diaspora. Okay, imagine my work one day now. We're not recording me. My work one day now. We're not recording me. We give a record me and the 2 minutes and 25 seconds. In my way, one. Only to give 8 seconds. Only to give 8 minutes. 2 minutes. Where? Epa Dario, Epa Maou ma egwede. You know them Maou egwan, Epa Dario now. Epa Dario, me malake kiuri. Evini wa uta. Why will you record me when we are talking? What's the when I record you, Mary Magua? Yes. This is the problem on social media. Okay, what are we going to record here? Go soon recording now. Ni me ya la social media. Obugo me na ya record. That is prohibited. This is the reason why I'm here where a lot of people are afraid to call people. Epa, Murphy wa talk be. Epa wa talk be sa. Osalobo Adebawe. Osalobo Adebawe. Osalobo Adebawe. Edi, Epa, udele, ewana epa damyo, epa watok be, damyo, ewana we not get it wrong. Okay. Wato. Isa. Epa wala ro. Epa wala ro so. Epa mi eta won. Edo weri ya ase metan wa tok be sa. Ebi na gbomo wegbe. Wa di ayiwa mu 7 o. Wa amanu de amanu. Ekume ya le una no eti imo we. You understand? I don't have any grudges against you. You understand? Now, na kugbe aro ni kuwoge aro between we the people, all the Beninese diaspora. Alright, sir, don't sir. We'll talk about it. So my people are greeting now. That is Eddie Murphy. Now I call yours now. If I Eddie Murphy, we'll talk about it. I greeting now. So my people, now so just be, I not get grudges with anybody. Now see the way I die long. I live a very plain life. I know the waiting I know if you do, I know the talk on. You understand? For those of you now where they say Frankie Murphy if you know get by the book. Even Frankie who no ma. Why I come the Murphy you? When you want to see eso, una the year the Murphy now. Now go see carry my mother go tell the Murphy. You understand? Obiere roge. Just the way that we see carry you cut me. But to men and on the social media president, you understand? Social media president name, you know they put money from my pocket. You feel me now? So for those of you who talk, when I continue to talk, the talk they make me the shine. So over here I talk, not going to work. You understand? And the Murphy called the we're down, we heard the Murphy them. Understand? So no, what so you again, no, what so no, what have who or me no view, who men when I don't want to pack home, I don't fight anybody. So that people can be free to call people with or tell them coronavirus or my setting la de never e call na give go phone o ma go phone ten gbe mama o ko be record there be record there you no buy if you no market killing that's what I stand on. We should stop this recording. When you may not call it abroad, this is what it also very important. Make a record down or wait yes you record it. Don't wait no near team you understand? I got a telephone when I a village, my village, and I got dere or John Tico, Abuya, or Zuko giver. I to no level, no fear go level. I Zuko, coffee go level. I call you about what you will. You call about what you will. I to I baby. I want to work on my lega. I on I guyoge, or Honoga, no soon neck my yard. Ian never yard soon no really. Ian, I turn on you. We guanyo on a guanyo to give a guanyo or the way to zio. And that is nobody a very good boy, no, yes, I guess I don't know if you know, after we, Eria Yahweh, here Maduna, I never joke with bow a boo. Why now 1 year we marry social media, very good social media, because of what I reported Uruguay on a later Uruguay, where you want to tell what I boyan lay your Africa can't. Nobody want to come out and speak the truth. Amen, no man, what I know, not winning, almost were all. I do never. I mean, I have been on when a bit your mother called me, a bit your mind, I don't know what you about. Oh, woman, he want me. About this. Anyway, who knows you wait? I didn't know girl. Oh, well, I have to over what to go. I get your ball because we know Mamina, a zero. Why do you got your ball? You are too called just the who want pick. I greet you.
Social media president. Listen, don't be intimidated. Your legal, as a president, you were legally voted for. You passed through the legal rights. I vote your amawe yana no contest the year contest or I work contest and amu. That problem.
Yeah.
Have a faith they all contested, and you came out victoriously with a landslide. Oh yeah, no baseki
exactly.
Hello.
Exactly. I'm hearing you some last speaker.
Exactly.
It's on speaker.
For that reason, yes, don't be intimidated.
Yeah.
Anybody who want to try and play Kurukere movement under this presidency we're winning now, social media president. Will be dealt with ruthlessly. And you are when you are the social media president. Where you are a pastor, the pastor you give him, he cannot come and be claiming this name. Nina Mamuni is a position. It's not by right. It's a privilege. When 4 years away, to have a renew election, I vote. For now. See, 4 years time, you are the president. Or I know when you army, a soldier,
well, I think you're getting there. We are came where I'm UK we na mu amiri. Ami oge UK kere. Ama boli me gbo are ti. What?
You are legally elected. A legally elected president. On anoya down we go on your come on your treasonable felony. And the mafia no committed treasonable felony. Only one president. Obeva Gwobadia, Ogopamiebedu.
Exactly.
You are the only president. Amu where you have vote. Oh, one election, the one election, everybody here, the mafia will control it. Oh, president. What is this? What is it talking about? What are we for? What's the problem? You are the elected. Amami one or election. What party no? Remember yes, or what party no red to? Okay, cannot the way social media president in one Europe. That's disgusting. We're not trusting for any equine. Don't be intimidated. FA contested, a only book contest. When I win, you came out victoriously. So for that, before years, you when they be. Before years, no, don't great. I will later. I vote on campaign. As for now, you are the elected, the legally elected president, social media president. Is committing a treasonable felony. And they mean who are committed treasonable felony is by death in the court of law.
Oh, we lie.
We were no, I will be the mafia pastor, no white beggar, or on a mafia go, where the Luna social media, I am when you are Charlie Brown. In different people who are they turn away phone. Lao, I don't want 10 on Aria, you call a Franco, or a 10 on or one man, Maria do it.
You are not here, get me what?
Oh, my man, and go pass a key or Maras with Boma Maras with better get Frankie now, or one man back there. And the Mofi Una do committed treasonable act. A Jeremy Barrier, what?
Yeah.
It's an illegally elected.
What?
Yeah.
I agree to you.
Social media president.
A new Wow. So my people, I agree to now. You understand? Please, I beg everybody, we're not the quarrel, we're not the fight. All of us now now peace now we need for the diaspora. Understand? This one do saga, this one do saga, Titi do saga, this one do saga, me do saga. Where we don't want to face. You understand? Not be what we want. We want peace. Peace now we need. You understand? Frankie, you understand? Or back Gwobadia, that do gaye. One thing I want to let you know understand. Because the rest are going out with you say. I will not your one you could make a nato. You understand? I don't barak go as a man, no Louis Jerry, no my la Louis. I want to address something here. You understand? As a living soul who came alive through your mother Virginia, you know if you tell me say Umaira no because who dey Umaje so le to ya gunuwe. Amagba ogba onu laje wu he ni. As far as gunuwe umagwe ujagbon. Esagi you it's penny you ya o ya pe ya laje we ko automatically alalu. You understand? So when I give a life the way on a laluhe, okbokman, a back on your no, this one, that one a story. Menu memwe, ewe na ovena mie, meta. Here we yes, he defend. So if person call you a laluhe, back on your, not let them pay you. Because if I don't lick and waiting again, so no obvious, no, I mean obvious. You understand? Oh, wa mujia, be agripa wa mujia, o wa be soto. O woro na weto laluhe. Ege ni mana mu sese ni ya we live video. Wa ma wi laluhe o. Iri shine ne. You understand? E ban wa we fa ki laluhe. Wa go me ma be he wu he na la o be ye wan shine. Do he na la lo ye wan shine. Ana me wu he be lo me na be na nya aka bo ala lo ni wo ba ni ka bo amu si. Mara san. So when I want to say, you know, you may shine, they carry advertise it. He fairly go beauty organic cream. You know, you understand? So when you call it where the organic cream, they want na sister, do that for work be wow. Do tamumenwa or see fairly good organic cream. E no bare ya la deba. All that for when I be wow, that's ye kalo we Senegal. Man, wa the muffin about all this man. Oh, it will not go in what you must. When the muffin ye no matter you blow it. I'm a woman, no ya mimi. Nigga shine. Who was here? Yeah, go with this man. Understand? Don't that for when I call a kaka. We're moving away about this man. Hama, look if you know be fairly good, man. A fairly good beauty world. No, you cream, many yasha. Who had the muffin here? Now, how is okay? Ya, organic cream. And the muffin ye must say, oh, you won't wait for one can marry. It tabu, I want to can marry. And the muffin ye must say, oh, get our organic cream in this okay here. Or when I bet the muffin. So when you tag where organic cream, now they use organic cream. Now they use. If you need your husband ugly, you know, your boy black, dark, black shako, they fear you. Call me. I go direct you to the person who will give you better cream. We go match your husband's skin when you go to use them. If your children not even fine, you need better cream when you want it for children. Contact Fairly Good Beauty World Organic Cream. Everywhere goes still. If you want to turn a video, you get one to make it turn a video. You understand? So everything do there. So while man, I stand very musena or your word, Yagmo Yen, Agmo to Tayo Egbe, Uga Use, Tatayo Egbe, Uma Use, Tatayo Egbe, Gino Tarata, Hekizen or Guadwe. Understand? If you do what you are, my Nagmama Egbe, Hunda we do ring, I see every time. You understand? He ready to have where this year, no go lack. You understand? This year, no go lack. Then you drop in a organic cream, in a bit, Fairly Good Noga. Understand? Our belly goes to money over the anyway. Oh, no, when you see it, eh? No way we done. Even this going, eh? Also, the Matimena Lugan. You understand? Oh, when you sit here, would that any? The Mewe video at the Mofi, nobody not show a girl, but Nina Finu gear, what show a gear, what we are share video. Wallah, it may give him wash, no kino, ma, kinema, wash, now, now, presenters, if you don't hear your name for live video, now they conclude, fair watch the live video from the beginning to the ending. Now, waiting up too many presenter or problem when saga not be finished today. As a presenter, listen to the live video carefully before you start to react. Before you go say you want to do saga, watch the live video very, very careful before you go do saga. You understand? They tell the Mofika about damn here, a live video. About damn here live video you don't where if you know again you understand? So as a presenter, always watch a live video carefully before you go react. So lala who they call so? I don't want to pick call today. Let me call. I want to call. That do. Okay. This is the telephone number of